At Vitamix, we know adventure isn't something that comes in a box. It's a way of living. With the all-new Ascent series, you can explore worlds of new flavors, fresh ingredients that sustain us, inspire us, and fuel us to be more. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. Our new built-in timers help you make recipes your way every time. Choose between a standard digital timer and a programmable version that turns the machine off automatically. With pulse and variable speed control, you can stretch your creativity with confidence. Or choose a model with convenient program settings designed to automatically create your favorite recipes. Whether you choose traditional controls or a sleek new touchscreen, every Ascent series blender is easy to use. That means more new flavors with more gusto. When it's time to wash up, Vitamix containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. So what are you waiting for? Grind tough ingredients and blend with precision. Create hot soups, frozen desserts, and so much more. Backed by a 10-year full warranty, the all-new Ascent series by Vitamix is built to last.